So
Ever thought confidence in sales
I
could
was
reshape
making
your life
20K a year.
entirely?
I
Let's
had
dive
1,500
in.
bucks to my name, and I was scared as shit out of investing that into his training. But dude, I mean, I would never go on social media trying to brag about anything about my life, but I have a pretty good fucking life, man.
I
I'm
love that. Thank you.
like
How big is confidence in your, how big is having confidence to you? I,
confidence is it's like having a second
be careful. Be careful. We're
like
recording.
having a second,
Okay.
like handgun. So no, I mean, like take everything away from me. Like, I mean, like I, I have no doubt that using the stuff I learned in sales, I can be dead broke tomorrow. And I'm confident that I'll give me a couple months, maybe a year, I'll make it right back.
You wouldn't need 30 days. You know
Probably
my def
30.
you're the kind of if you lost everything and your kids are going to college and you got bills and everything else and you lost your job and your wife lost her, I think you're the kind of guy who would be back on top again. I mean, in 30 days or less. You would just hustle.
30 to 90 days to be realistic, but like I will fucking pick up the phone and talk to people all day. All day. That's what you got to do.
What about if they're nasty to you and they say, "Oh, you're the 10th guy to call me. Leave me alone. Take me off your list."
The salesman comes first.
Oh, I
So
love that.
you got a way to fix it. There's always a way to fix it. And I'll be
Salesman comes first. I love that
you could
line.
just say this. It's like, sir, man, I'm so sorry. It looks like I did something that offended you. Let me know what I did wrong so I can apologize.
I know that line.
Or it looks like somebody skipped breakfast.
Yeah.
Just give me your address. I'll go ahead and send you I'll send you something there. I'll send you a nice little gift. And there's no defense against humor. Like, but I would say that the biggest thing is that you got to get yourself in front of people and you got to have a good product also that you sell. If you're
Yeah.
selling, if you're doing business in an ethical and an honest way and you really, you got the people's interest at heart, then you're going to make money. It's a byproduct.
What if you're just selling Felipe or Travis? You're just selling yourself and your services, your knowledge, your experience. What about selling yourself? Is that the best product or best service product in the world?
100%.
Yeah.
You're selling change.